যে আজকে মাননীয় প্রধানমন্ত্রী যে একটা চিঠি যদিও আমার নামে এটা পাঠিয়েছে, কিন্তু আমার মনে হয় এটা আমাকে পাঠায়নি, এটা সবার জন্য পাঠিয়েছে। If you allow me, I will read it out. What he has written. আর এর মধ্যে দেখবেন যখন আমি পড়ব, এর মধ্যে ওনার যে একটা ত্রিপুরার জন্য যে একটা ফিলিংস, একটা যে আত্মিক যে রিলেশন, if I read it, then you will understand. Professor Dr. Manik Sahaji, greetings to you and to my sisters and brothers of Tripura on the occasion of Tripura Statehood Day. Tripura is a land blessed with a rich cultural heritage and dynamic people. I have had several opportunities to visit this beautiful state, the most recent being at the beginning of Navaratri in September 2025, when I offered prayers at the Mata Tripura Sundari temple and reviewed the ongoing development works at the temple complex. For decades, it was an undeniable reality that the people of Northeast, including Tripura, felt distant and isolated from the national mainstream. I consider it an honor that our government received the opportunity to change this reality by bridging distances, strengthening emotional bonds, and striking a chord with the people of this region. Our vision of Purvodaya, which focuses on accelerating progress in Eastern India, is also transforming the Northeast. Whether it is the Ashtalakshmi Mahotsav, showcasing the region's social, economic, and cultural potential, or startup investment summits, or the improvement of states through GI tags for their unique products, all these initiatives flow from the same vision of inclusive development. Over the last 8 years, the double engine governments, the India government at the center and your team in the state have worked with a dedication for Tripura's transformation. This sustained effort is fully in keeping with the spirit of historic mandate given by the people of Tripura in 2018 and 2023. A wide range of development initiative has significantly improved the ease of living for the people of Tripura. Emphasis has been placed on the strengthening physical as well as social infrastructure. Several central government schemes have delivered tangible benefits. Recently, the Union Cabinet approved new components under the existing special development packages, which will have a particular positive impact, especially on the tribal communities of the state. The inauguration of the new integrated terminal building at Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport in Agartala in 2022 has further boosted connectivity, commerce, and tourism. Powered by the aspirations and hard work of its people, Tripura has made remarkable strides in recent years. The state's economy has grown significantly, supported by commendable reforms in compliance reduction and deregulation. These efforts reflect your government's determination to attract investment and create new opportunities for the youth. Tripura's farmers have set an inspiring example for the nation in environmental consciousness. The state is among the leaders in the Northeast in the implementation of the PM Kusum scheme. The increasing adoption of natural farming practice is equally commendable. Your government's focused support for weavers, mulberry growers, and pineapples farmers is strengthening livelihood and laying the foundation for long-term growth. In the past, parts of Tripura were overshadowed by insurgency and unrest. There was a time when daily life was disrupted and the dreams of the youth were constrained. Today, the people of Tripura have demonstrated remarkable courage and resolve, choosing peace over conflict and progress over uncertainty. The 2024 Peace Accord with the NLFT and ATTF has ushered in a new dawn of hope. The people of Tripura have clearly rejected retrograde ideologies and placed their faith in governance that delivers. May the blessings of Mata Tripura Sundari always guide the people of Tripura. Together, we will continue to work to realize the vision of Maharaja Bir Vikram Kishore Manikya Bahadur and take Tripura to even greater heights. Yours, Narendra Modi.